Time to christen a new pond after a very hot run. Ouchie mum. Very slippery here. Oh. I left the shelf in so I could get in, if I had to. But it's about 7 feet deep right here. There's Igor. Hello, Igor. There's Moby. Try to touch the bottom here. Going down. Going down. Going down. Tiptoes. No. Can't do it. There we go. Very refreshing. The fish aren't used to seeing somebody in here. Oh, sorry, you go. Sorry, guys. Here's Igor. Summer lake shag.